Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot issue related to sudden drop in FPS while playing games on your Windows 10 computer. So if you're facing this issue, we have to troubleshoot and follow certain steps. So before going ahead, I would request you to please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. I create videos on topics related to Windows 10 technology, troubleshooting steps, Active Directory group policy and server troubleshooting steps. So please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's go ahead and troubleshoot. So press Windows key plus R on your keyboard and then type regedit. Hit enter, user account control permission, click on yes, expand H key current user, click on system, expand it, then click on game config store. So here you would find in the right pane that game DVR underscore enabled. Double click on it. This value is 1. Make it 0. Click on OK. Then navigate to H key local machine. Expand it. Click on software. Expand it. Click on Microsoft. Expand it. Scroll down. Search for policy manager. In the policy manager, click on default. Click on application management. Expand it. Click on allow game DVR. In the right pane, we have to find out value. Double click on it and make it 0. Click on OK. So that's it. Reboot the computer and check if the FPS has gone up or not. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye-bye.